If the latch on your door sticks, it may be because the parts have become loose. When this happens, the latch can get caught behind the strike plate when you operate the handle or knob. To fix this, first locate the screws that hold the doorknob assembly together. Loosen the screws, but do not completely remove them. Once the screws are loose, you can rotate the doorknob. You will notice the latch moving as well. Make sure the latch is level as it comes through the strike plate. Then hold the doorknob assembly in place and tighten the screws. The latch will now smoothly pass in and out of the strike plate without catching. If you have any questions about this process, call SWF Home Inspections at 941-493-4334 or 239-330-9910.